In this video, I'll show you how to set up YouTube Music on your Fitbit Charge 6. This way you'll be able to control your music right on the watch. So what you need to do is to get the app and connect your Fitbit to the Fitbit app of your phone. Tap and open the app, and usually when you open the app you should see this screen over here. The thing you need to do is to press on the top left corner where you see an icon of a smartphone and a watch, and then you should see your Charge 6 appearing here. Tap on it. From here, press YouTube Music. If you get this screen, press on Open YouTube Music. And you'll need to press OK when they ask you for the Bluetooth connection. So press OK. It will go back to the app by itself. Here it's up to you to accept or deny if you want to turn on exercise music recommendation. I don't want the app to recommend me music. I already know what I like and what I want to listen, so I'll press decline. And you're going to get the screen setup complete. Start listening with YouTube Music Premium. And why it's Music Premium? It's because you absolutely need a YouTube Music Premium account to make this work. If you don't have it, if you don't pay a subscription, it won't work. Press next. And if you don't have an account, you can start your free trial here and try it. If you already have an account, don't worry, just press I have premium already. And now we're in the YouTube Music app. I have a premium account already, so I can go ahead and let's say I want to listen to something. Can go on my watch and select the app, Play Music app over here, YouTube Music, and you can press, swipe for more control, and you can have these controls to go forward or backwards. You can control the volume by pressing on these buttons. Let's say I want more volume. You just need to tap. It doesn't work if you swipe. Go back, and you have the play button, which is the first page. You can also swipe down like this, and you'll have more options here, library, or you can press the more icon here, and it will show you what song played last. And you can go down like this in your history to find the song you listened in the past that you want to listen again to. And when you found it, well, you just have to tap on it and it will start playing. I had to pause it on my phone. So you have this play button that can pause when you tap on it. These are really the basic controls that you can use on your watch. So pressing on it, play, pause, skip or go back, and the volume. You can obviously at all time go on the app and select a new song. And when you go back over here and let's say you play it, it will update on your watch the title and you'll be able to pause it and play. So this is how you control your music using your Fitbit Charge 6. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video.